Okay, we're going to look at applying our knowledge of rounding to solving some challenges here. In this question, it asks us to circle the number closest in value to 0.1. Now, I'm going to utilize a table to help me with solving this number. And I'm going to do it like so. I'm going to make some place value columns. I'm going to use the letter U for the units, decimal point for decimal point, 10th column, 100th column. I see that this question has no place value number outside of units, 10th and 100th. Now I'm going to put down the original number, which was 0.1, and I'm going to list the other numbers in a table underneath. 0.01, 0.05, 0.11, 0.2, and 0.9. Now, when I utilize a table like so, I start to be able to see how I can compare numbers. And I'm probably going to take it a step further by also maybe writing all numbers with a 10th value and with a 100th value. So I'm going to turn 0.1 into 0.10, 0.2 into 0.20, the same with 0.9 into 0.90. Now I can make an accurate comparison, and hopefully I have the skill set to compare the place value numbers in each place value category. So that's the tip I would give you with applying your rounding knowledge to that question. Next question, let's have a look at this one. A box of sticky labels costs £33.50. There are 150 sheets of labels in the box. There are 14 labels on each sheet. What is the cost of one label to the nearest penny? Okay. Excuse me. First thing I think we should discuss is pounds and pence, and understand that they are essentially the same metric as dollars and cents. So pounds and pence, we think dollars and cents. It's the same thing. We shouldn't let that deter us from solving this challenge. The suggestion I would make here is to form a number sentence, or I'll call it an NS for short. Go ahead and form a number sentence with the information you have. So we have been told that there is a box of sticky labels that cost £33.50, and there are 150 sheets in the box. So I would deduce or infer that my very first calculation for step one would be to divide the total cost of a box by the amount of sheets in a box. So my first number sentence, or the first step I would do, would be to form that number sentence, carry out my calculations, and then I would be looking for a step two, essentially. A step two, I would form another number sentence. So the suggestion I have for you when applying your rounding knowledge to a tricky challenge like this is to create a number sentence and then continue to do so in steps thereafter. Hopefully these tips help you apply your rounding knowledge on a deep level.